Hey guys, Happy New Year and all the best for 2018. Just wanted a really short video to say thanks to all of you for watching and subscribing, leaving comments and sharing the word about the channel. So hopefully there's various content that you find enjoyable. What I'd really like you to do is leave comments and feedback below in this video about things you'd like to see more of, so we can increase the content into 2018. Still plan to do at least one video a week, and may decide to do a few little vlogs here and there as to things I'm up to during the week if I think they may be of interest or related to some of the projects that I have planned for next year. So again, thank you very much for watching. Please keep liking the videos, share the word to others to subscribe if you think it's worthwhile. And once again, Happy New Year and all the best for 2018. I hope it's great for you, your family and your friends. Thanks for watching this video. A thumbs up would be really appreciated. If you're interested in other geek type videos, please consider subscribing to Spectrum Geeks. Why not also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And before you leave, why don't you check out one of these other videos that may be of interest. Thanks again for watching.